Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Vehicle School. Today, I'm going to show you some quick and effective 5 fixes for throttle response issues. Unlock the full tutorial and detailed steps in the article linked in the description. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Replace throttle position sensor, TPS. Locate the TPS on the throttle body. Gather tools, T20 Torx, ratchet, extension, soldering iron. Disconnect negative terminal of battery and electrical connectors. Loosen TPS bolts and apply heat. Replace with new sensor, secure bolts. Reconnect components, battery. Start engine, check throttle response. Step 2. Replace throttle body. Loosen intake tubing clamps, remove tubing, and 10mm bolt. Lift assembly, disconnect wire clip, plastic hose, and throttle body connector. Remove 2 8mm bolts holding throttle body, disconnect remaining electrical connector. Clean debris, check or replace gasket. Connect new throttle body, secure with 4 bolts, torque to 89 inch-pounds. Slide intake assembly back, secure bolts, clip, and hose. Check connections and air leaks. Start engine, test throttle response. Step 3. Clean MAF wires and sensors. Turn off engine, unplug MAF wiring. Remove air filter. Optionally remove sensor for cleaning. Spray 10 to 15 bursts of cleaner on wire or plate. Keep straw 4 to 5 inches away. Let dry before starting. Step 4. Dealing with wiring shorts. Inspect C268 connector for damage. Use scan tool to monitor a PP2 voltage. Check BU/WH wire for voltage changes. Investigate if a PP2 sensor sticks at 5V. Look for melted wires. Test throttle, ensure smooth movement. Step 5. Install throttle response controllers. Lift red clip on gas pedal connector, disconnected. Connect provided adapter, mount controller, run cable through dash trim. Clean mounting area. Attach controller using 3M tape. Ensure all connections secure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!